Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting content. Today, we have something truly special to share with you, the DEEPOWER G20Pro 2000W folding electric bicycle. This isn't just any ordinary electric bike, this is a game-changer in the world of e-bikes. Let's dive into the details and see why this is a must-have for all cycling enthusiasts. Firstly, let me tell you a little bit about DEEPOWER. With over 10 years of experience in the e-bike industry, they are the true experts in their field. They offer exceptional quality and reliability, which is why we are thrilled to introduce the DEEPOWER G20 Pro to all of you. One of the standout features of the DEEPOWER G20 Pro is its powerful 2000W motor, which ensures a smooth and effortless ride every time. Pair that with the 48V25Ah lithium-ion battery, and you've got yourself a winning combination for long-lasting power and performance. This electric bike is not just about power, it's also about comfort and convenience. With front suspension, front and rear mechanical disc brakes, and a 7-speed gear system, you can tackle any terrain with ease. Plus, the fat tire design makes it perfect for beach cycling, mountain biking, or simply commuting around the city. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I get my hands on one? Well, we've got you covered. DEEPOWER has warehouses in the EU and North America, meaning that you can receive your order within 37 days. Plus, for some European and American customers, they even offer a self-pickup service. If you're still not convinced, just take a look at the included accessories: front and rear fenders, a mobile phone holder, and a USB charging port. DEEPOWER has truly thought of everything to make your ride as enjoyable as possible. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the DEEPOWER G20 Pro 2000W folding electric bicycle and join the revolution in electric biking. Trust me, once you experience the power and versatility of this e-bike, you'll never want to ride anything else. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're as excited about the DEEPOWER G20 Pro as we are. See you in the next video, and happy riding.